This is Martin and
Shelley.
And we're down here at the property today. This is the spring equinox. It is first day of spring. So last fall we bought this. It would have been in October, and now we're in March. So wow, it's been almost 6 months ago. And we've been clearing, building roads, getting ready to build a cabin. We've got a little bit of off-grid projects planned down here. We do also have, I mean, for all you off-gridders, this is, you're not going to like this, but we are going to have a shop being built right in behind us where we have a lot of big woodworking tools, and that's going to be a little bit more than our off-grid capacity will allow. So we are bringing electricity in from the road, which is way up the hill here, and that's what I've been digging to bring in electrical lines to that. And so we're going to have some off-grid, but some of it is going to be powered up as well. Shelley's been down here cleaning brush and making the place look pretty.
Oh, brother. It's been a long haul. There is a lot of brush here. I don't know if anybody's touched this place. A little bit over on that side, but up there by the road, they did a slice job on all the trees, and it is just razor cut, and there's shreds everywhere, and I wanted to clean it up, and it's still got a lot up there that I need to clean. But we decided today to come down here where our driveway is, and I want to clean up these leaves and get this stuff cleaned up a little bit better here, because we'll be building a road down here as well.
So the road building is continuing. We are bringing in some big rock. There's another video that we've done on that just recently showing the process for building a road, and the places that we've done it has been really good. We've been putting down some big chunky rock that goes all the way up to like 6 inches, along with, you know, smaller stuff to build a base, and then putting some smaller over top of that. And right now the trench that I'm building to bring the electrical lines down here to where the shop building is going to be, as we've been getting rain, and every morning I come down here and the ditch is full of water, and so I dig in it. And yesterday I dug a big scoop out of it, and when I brought the backhoe out, it splashed a giant wave out and hit me. So
I just can't take him anywhere where he doesn't get in the mud.
Yep.
I just can't believe it.
I was a lot worse yesterday. It was all over mostly on my pants, and it was kind of cold in the morning, so that was a chilly morning for a while until I dried out a little bit. Okay, if you've been enjoying the videos, go ahead and click subscribe down below here and the notification bell. Anyway, I'm going to go up and clamp a camera to the tractor so you can see what we're doing up there. And Shelley's going to keep the other camera going down here, I suppose, and she's just cleaning and burning.
Cleaning leaves.
Here I am at the excavation site where we're bringing in electricity here to this place, and I was going to show you. So I've been digging a hole or a trench down through here from clear up by the road, and I'm only about halfway right now. If you can see, there's water in it. There's about 2 feet of water in it each morning when I get down here, mainly just from the recent rain and water that's leaching out of the ground, I think from the rain. But if this was just a regular electrical line, it wouldn't be that big of a deal, but this is actually high voltage that's coming down through here, so very dangerous. So we've got to put it at 40 inches deep or deeper, and put in a caution ribbon over top of it as we bury it, just so that nobody gets into it later. And they're actually setting up a transformer. Now it'll be down the other side of that rock pile quite a ways, and that's where the regular feed of electricity will come in to our shop building, and ultimately probably the house. Anyway, I'm going to clamp this on here and do some more digging. Okay, if you've been enjoying the videos, go ahead and click subscribe down below here and the notification bell, and we'll see you next time.
Yep. See ya.